Dear students, this is the MCQ from the motion in a plane. Two bodies are thrown up at an angles of 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively with the horizontal. If both bodies attain same vertical height, then the ratio of velocities with which these are thrown is. We know that H maximum equal to U square sin square theta by 2g. According to the problem, u1 square sin square 45 by 2g is equal to u2 square sin square 60 by 2g. From this, u1 square by u2 square is equal to sin square 60 by sin square 45. From this, u1 by u2 is equal to sin 60 by sin 45. We know the value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and the value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So finally you will get under root 3 by 2. So the third option is correct. For a given velocity, a projectile has the same range or for two angles of projection. If t1 and t2 are the times of flight in the two cases, then what is the relation between the t1, t2 as well as r? For theta comma 90 minus theta, the horizontal range is same. The r value is same for angles theta as well as 90 minus theta. We know that the time of flight t equal to 2u sin theta by g. So from this, t1 equal to 2u sin theta by g as well as t2 equal to 2u sin 90 minus theta by g. Because of the horizontal range is same for the angles theta comma 90 minus theta. So 2u cos theta by g. So this is the t1 and this is the t2. Right now I am doing t1 into t2. Then what will you get? 2u into 2u, 4u square sin theta cos theta by g square. It can be written as, I am taking 2 by g as common. From this you will get u square sin 2 theta by g. We know that u square sin 2 theta by g is the horizontal range. In place of that we can substitute r, 2r by g. Then t1, t2 directly proportional to 2r by g. So t1, t2 directly proportional to r. We will take that. So the option B is correct. A stone is thrown at an angle theta to the horizontal, reaches a maximum height h. Then the time of flight of the stone will be. So it is indirectly asking that the relation between the maximum height and time of flight. We know that the maximum height h maximum is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g, and we know the time of flight t equal to 2u sin theta by g. From this I am just doing t square is equal to 4u square sin square theta by g square. Then t square by h is equal to 8 by g, and from this t equal to under root 8h by g. It is written as 2 under root 2h by g. Then the time of flight is 2 of under root 2h by g. The second option is right.